Hear me out, because I'm a sucker for a good pen, all right? I was in Target, and then I went to the like pen section, and I couldn't believe what I saw. Papermate Flair pens. First of all, these are like my freaking fave, the Flair. Scented Sunday brunch. Look at all of the different scents. Oh my God. I was like, I need this. I really need this. So I picked this up, and let me calm down. Hold on. Get it together. Get it together. On today's video, I'm going to be doing my weekly planning session using some of these. I asked my husband to give me a color. He said purple, so I'm gonna add pink. We're gonna do purple and pink and plan for the week. So if you wanna see what that looks like, then keep watching. Also, Happy New Year. This is like my second or third upload of the new year, and definitely lots more to come. But let me know in the comments how your new year is going. For me, January was pretty much of getting things in order, and definitely with these pens, it went from good to great. So now I'm feeling real great going into February. But without further ado, let's go ahead and plan. Have you guys met yet? No? Okay. This is Bells. This is my 7-year-old. She is always around, so get used to her. You'll be seeing her a lot. So we're gonna start by opening up the Flair pens. And I'm gonna use purple and pink. So this looks kind of purple. And then this is giving like a blush pink. This is kind of giving pink too. The actual, each one has the scent written on it, so this is going to be a lot easier than I thought it'd be. Okay, so I am going to be using, okay, let's see, frosted cupcake sprinkles. Okay, definitely giving cake batter. Whoa. Okay, let's see. You know when you're in between fragrances? Oh, mind you, hold on. I know a thing or two about fragrance. Hold on. This is Razzle Dazzle from my online store. Skylight is a candle company that I own based in North Carolina. So if you want to check us out, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. Let's do Floral Blossoms. Oh, that gives me lavender. I'm not a fan of lavender. But if you like lavender, you might like this. Okay. Let's see. Pink Peony. Oh, this one's great. You want to smell? No. Now we have Fresh Fruit Parfait. Oh my God, this one. So good. This smells like raspberry. So now, okay, so I'm gonna be using this first one, the Fresh Fruit Parfait. I always like to start my week by writing down my daily habits. I have a plum paper planner, and I like that it has a habit tracker on the top, so that every day when I look at my planner, I can see what I've gotten accomplished. Like, I'll exit out. So I put the same things every single week. I gotta switch my colors. Okay, let's do this purple. And that's gonna be to read, to study. So there's reading, there's studying. For studying, I am in flight school, so there's that. And then also study also means like to do something that's going to teach me something new about business. So those two are what I put in that study department. I have to eye patch. The eye patch thing is kind of weird. My left eye is a lazy eye, so every day I'm trying to eye patch for at least 2 hours a day, like covering my right eye so that my left eye could get stronger. They say that it works for some people, so I'm trying my best because I want to improve my eyes, and like, we're gonna see if it works. I don't know. Then I have to exercise, and then to reflect. The reflection part, it pretty much is like, did you come back to your planner at the end of the day to update your habits? So like what, right? Now, we're gonna be going in with the Pink Peony. Okay, so every Monday I pack and ship orders from my online store. On Monday, I also have to update my business bank account. I decided to go with a smaller credit union than one of the bigger banks, so I'm switching everything over right now. And so that's kind of a hassle, but I feel like it's worth it. Then I have to work on my website SEO. Then I need to do my email landing page and get some invoices filed. So that's not really a priority, but it's important. So I'll do like file WSM invoices. I also have a meeting on Tuesday with a podcast. Bank account and shipping the orders is kind of like easy. So let's do our February content planning on Monday. And then we're gonna revisit the 12-week year on Notion, my Notion. I just always feel like when I plan, my life is together. And sometimes I don't feel like my life is together, but when I write things down, I feel like it's together. So I always feel like I owe this to myself every Sunday, you know? Okay, so we talked about the credit union and doing that. And now I have to update. I'll put update website and go to and put like the about me page or the about us, wax, candles, the fragrance, and I need to do the Instagram story highlights. Girl, I haven't had these in ages, so okay. And last thing is to update my, what does that mean? Oh, not last thing. Update abandoned cart series. I need to actually, this is important, schedule emails for February. Isn't that cute? So now to make it even cuter, we're gonna add some washi tape. I love these. I have like this little organizer and I switch them out because I have so much washi tape, but I think that it makes my planner cuter to look at. I don't have all the fancy gadgets to make it like look super crazy. So to cut this, I just kind of like guesstimate where it's gonna land. And then I use a ruler to cut it. It's my life. And I can do what I want. It's my life. And I can do what I want. All right, that looks good. Look at how that purple just makes all of this pop and look fantastic. Don't you agree? All right, Bella. Rude. All right, so like I'm gonna go like this and add the tape. And then I'm gonna take the ruler. That's why I always keep a ruler on me. Always in my bag, a ruler. That's not true. All right, so there's that. And then the one last thing I need to do is organize receipts. I think we went, okay. I gotta add that to this. I wanna just get that done by Tuesday. So organize receipts is gonna be a priority. Damn, I messed up. And I'll put start. Why did I do that? Receipt organization today on Monday. So I'm kind of holding myself accountable so that if I do finish kind of early on Monday, I can move on to a new project. So I think as far as business, that's what I want to accomplish this week. It's not too much, but it's not too heavy. It's okay. So we use so far these three. Let's put these on the side. I found these stickers from Hobby Lobby a while ago, and Sundays are always my like cleaning days. So let's find a sticker. Huh. Feeling oh so fresh. No, not this week. I am a certified clean machine. No. Not this week. Hold on. Change alarm batteries. Wow, that's a good sticker to have. Wash sheets. Pay bills. Okay. I'm looking through what I want. I don't know what I want. It has to be pink or purple, right? Should it? What's a complementary color? Bella? Okay. What about blue? Let's do... Okay. Oh, I should clean out the fridge this week. I actually clean out the fridge pretty much every week, but for For the aesthetic, let's put this clean refrigerator sticker right here, even though that's not straight, but it's fine. Notes and doodles. Let's just put this little cleaning checklist sticker. And then, oops. On that sticker, ooh, let's use a different color. So this is black hazelnut latte. That's not giving me latte. The hazelnut latte, I don't think that, but it's black, so we'll use it. Okay. Sorry. Wash sheets, clean fridge, mop house, clean bathroom. Say, ooh, you know what I haven't done? Do the baseboards. Well, like I did the baseboards last week. No, not last week. What the hell? Last year. But last year was like 2 weeks ago. No, so it was like 2.5 weeks ago. I did it the last week of the last year. It's the almost last week of January now. So I'm gonna declare Thursday, Friday, and Wednesdays as my gym days. This planner is the this planner is the vertical priorities by Plum Paper. Like, let me show you. This is my cover. So I have the one with the books on it. And so far I'm loving it. Oh, okay. Now let me find a new quote. Let's see. You are capable of amazing things. I don't want that one this week. Work for it? No. Working hard? No. Okay, do what you love and do a lot of it. No. What about this one? Today's a great day to start. That's really good. I like that one for this week. Need some more tape because this makes the whole thing look amazing. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the base of this thing, and I like to use this space to put quotes. I used to use it to brain dump, but then I feel like I have so much stuff on my mind. I don't want to see that every day. It gives too much mumbo jumbo sometimes. I have my journal for that, you know? All right, let me pull that, get a straight edge, allegedly, or somewhat. And then we're gonna put our quote. Wow. What a decorative queen. Okay, never really did a housing update with the 2022 housing crisis. That's when we purchased. Like, we literally closed in July. So we went through like 13 offers before we actually found a house. So I am getting ready to post an update on that. I am gonna be uploading quite a few YouTube videos next week. Let's start planning that. This is blueberry pancake. Let's find the other blueberry one. This is blue, right? Vanilla blueberry tart. Beautiful. That one is good. I have a candle called Deja Blue that smells similar to this. That's good. Wow. Vanilla blueberry tart. Not getting much blueberry, definitely vanilla. Okay, this one is my favorite of the blueberries, the pancake. This week I'm starting a new book, and I think I'm either gonna read the Grand Canyon book. There's a book about the Grand Canyon and like a mid-air collision that happened in the 1950s that I think is the reason why the FAA started. So I'm gonna be reading that, and then if I do finish that, which is a kind of big book, but it's like 300 pages, and like I work from home, so I do have a good amount of time on my hands, I will be reading The Picture of Dorian Gray. So I will put here on my list, and we'll stay tuned to see how long it takes me to finish that. Hopefully I can finish those next week, but we'll see. By Monday, I'm gonna be finishing Profit First by Mike McAlkowitz, I think his name is. McAlkowitz? I don't know. Sorry, Mike. But I have to upload that to Goodreads and give my final rating. So far, I'm loving it. And to me, oh my God, I might do a video on that. I'm not too sure yet, but I definitely want to do a video update on that in like a year. So stay tuned. I feel like January is the slowest part of the year, but this January, okay, so like typically January is the slowest time of the year, and like I was closed or like out of stock up until January 15th when I reopened. So when I reopened with some new products, they started doing really well, and I shipped quite a few orders on Thursday and Friday of last week, and there is some stuff out of stock. So I know I need to restock lemon pound cake candles and then all of the regular size wax melt. Now that we're almost done, let's go through the rest of these and see what they smell like. This is giving very much tropical, like we're in Jamaica. Sugared grapefruit. That smells just like grapefruit. That's a good one. Let's see. Now this one is honeydew melon. I would have loved if this was like coconut lime. Honeydew melon. Oh, that's very fresh. I like this. And then we have strawberry melon. We did that one earlier. It's pretty good. It's just like strawberry. Lavender lemon square. That first purple one that I tried, I felt like this gave lavender. It's just not my jam. I can have an opinion, right? Okay. Oh, this one is good. See, that's so strange because this, maybe it's because the lemon overpowers the lavender in this one, but it's more lemon than lavender. All of these are very lightly scented though, so FYI. And then this one is honey tangerine. This is very light, almost too light for me to have an opinion on. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Have you guys tried this? If you've tried these pens, let me know your thoughts. Buttermilk biscuit. Jesus Christ. I can't even get a second opinion on that one. Buttermilk, it's a cute color, but I actually have an unscented version of this that's pretty similar. You see this top one is the Flair medium, and then this one is the buttermilk. I don't think I can do buttermilk, sorry honey. That one is not for me. Peaches and cream. Oh, this is beautiful. Well, ladies and gents, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, let me know by hitting that like button down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, you're gonna really like the one where I unboxed my planner and used it for the first time, and I'll make sure to link it right here. So until the next time, I'll see you guys later.